So you know how to say hi to someone and ask how they're doing. You also know a few vocabulary words. Now, how would you communicate with someone working at the front desk when you're ready to check in? I will give you a couple phrases that would be very beneficial for you. The first one is, Bonjour, j'ai une réservation au nom de Madame Bouchard. Bonjour, j'ai une réservation au nom de Madame Bouchard. Okay, so I simply said, hi, I have a reservation under the name Madame Bouchard. Okay, so this you would simply change to your name. So you're saying hi, and then just saying that you have a reservation under the name, then so on. So, bonjour, j'ai une réservation au nom de Kelly. Okay, or whatever name you choose, whatever name that reservation is under. Okay, so again, this simply means, hi, I have a reservation under the name da-da-da. Okay, now, maybe you came with some friends and you would like to make sure that there are at least 2 beds. So you would say, j'aimerais vérifier qu'il y a 2 lits. Okay, j'aimerais means I would like. I would like. I would like to verify that there is 2 beds. Okay? J'aimerais vérifier qu'il y a 2 lits. Again, j'aimerais vérifier qu'il y a 2 lits. Perhaps you want to confirm that you had booked the hotel for 3 nights. If that's the case, we would simply say I would like again. So you would say j'aimerais vérifier que c'est pour 3 nuits. I would like to verify that it is for 3 nights. Okay? Awesome. Now, it would also be very helpful to know how to say oui, okay, which means yes, okay. No, which would mean no. This is very useful when you are speaking, but also when you are listening, right? What if someone's saying that to you? But before everything else, something that I suggest you do, if you want to practice your French, okay, that's one thing. But it wouldn't hurt as well if you simply asked, parlez-vous anglais? Okay, parlez-vous anglais? This is helpful because then maybe they do have a staff member who speaks English and they can go ahead and proceed with you speaking in French, but then they can also go to English if needed.